Pixel camera lovers were buzzing this week after Google quietly rolled out Pixel camera version 10.2, sparking confusion, rumors, and a lot of double-checking screens. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. At first, the update looked like it messed with one of the app's most used features, the quick setting sliders for brightness, shadows, and white balance. Everyone thought Google had shuffled the controls again, putting brightness and shadows back to their old positions, but it was not the case. Turns out, the change never really happened. The slider shuffle was only for Pixel 10 series at launch, not a universal update. On Pixel 10 phones, shadows appeared above brightness on the right-hand slider stack, which users found backwards and frustrating. But for every other Pixel phone like Pixel 9 models, brightness has always stayed on top, and version 10.2 doesn't change that at all. Yes, it's confusing. Google is running the same camera app across multiple Pixel phones, yet using different layouts depending on the device. That's why some users thought the update reversed it when in reality nothing moved in the first place. BT, do those quick access sliders only show up if you've enabled them? Tap the gear icon in the camera app, hit the three-dot menu, and switch on quick access controls. They've been around since last year, even if many users missed them. So what does Pixel Camera 10.2 actually do? Honestly, not much. The update is mostly just bug fixes and stability improvements. So, no slider drama, no major upgrade, just another small Pixel tune-up. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.